Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 every day with ChatGPT. Now, the thing we're going to do is that we're going to use ChatGPT as a short form content creation making tool, right? So I'm going to ask it, please make me a blog post about plants, for example, about plants, right? So like this. Now you can see they're gonna make a blog post like this, right? And the thing we're gonna do is that we're just gonna take this automated generated content of this blog post and we're gonna post it somewhere in a blog website, right? And we're gonna hope that this blog post is gonna generate traction and it's gonna generate views, gonna generate likes, it's gonna make an audience with this, right? So with this blog post here, we're gonna maybe, for example, post it on Facebook or on Wix, on things like that, right? And let's assume we already have an audience and our audience is big, right? Now we need to find a way to monetize this new audience and this new blog post to be fully automated. Now the thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna pick a niche in this topic, right? So for example, I'm making a blog post about plants and I want the blog post to be about why this specific pot product I use is good. And then I'm going to find a pot product in Amazon. So for example, pot products here on Amazon, right? And I'm going to generate something called an affiliate link, right? So on Amazon here, and I want to search for example, bots here, right? So bots, and then something like this. I want to make a affiliate link for this bot specifically. Now, the thing I can do here is generate an affiliate link, right? But you need to make a account first. So go to a new website called Amazon Affiliate, sign up for their Associate Central here. Recommend products earn commission. So what this means is that every time someone buy this product with your affiliate link, you'll get a kickback, right? So you'll get $1 to $2 or a certain percentage, I think. So that's how you can make over $1,000 with ChatGPT fully monetized. So make a blog post or make a video if you'd like, post this somewhere on the internet, hope it gains traction. When it gains traction, start marketing products from Amazon and then earn money from the commission from the affiliate.